In this playlist concerning nurturing smart teachers, we would now be covering Muslim law, and for that we have Prof Tahir Mahmood here. Would you like to kindly indicate as to what approach should be adopted by the aspiring teachers to teach this course?
Generally, in the law schools, they teach only, in the name of family law, they teach only Hindu law and Muslim law. The first thing they should know is that Hindu law and Muslim law together is not the end of family law. That's not the family law of India. We have general laws which apply to both Hindus and the Muslims. And then the law of India does not force anybody, neither any Hindu nor any Muslim, to follow their personal law. The law of India gives them the right to opt out of their personal law, and they can do that by at the time they want to get married. Generally people think that the Special Marriage Act of 1954 is to facilitate only interreligious marriages. If a Hindu wants to marry a Muslim or any non-Muslim, then he or she should opt for a Special Marriage Act. That's not the case. A Hindu boy and a Hindu girl, if they want, instead of following the religious rites, they can contract a civil marriage under the Special Marriage Act. So there is an option between the civil law, between the secular law and the religious law available to every citizen of India wherever he may be living, whichever religion he may belong. This is not very clear to the teachers and students of family law. And then Muslim law, it must be realized that Muslim law came into existence 1500 years ago. Unlike modern Hindu law, which was enacted during 1955-56, it is a very old and traditional law, but it has been developed on modern lines all over the world, and it is being developed also in India. The only difference is that in the rest of the world it has been developed by the legislature. In India, because of religious sensitivities among the Muslim minority, the law is being developed by the judiciary. So the Supreme Court judgments are the major source of Muslim law in this country, not the traditional law books, not the books of Mullah and other textbooks, but the law is, Muslim law has to be taught mainly with reference to the Supreme Court judgments, which have, Supreme Court has played the role of a reformer in respect of Muslim law. That has to be realized and kept in mind, and all major Supreme Court decisions on Muslim law have to be taught.
Thank you very much. I think this advice and guidance would be quite helpful to the future teachers.